In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add pins to a Pinterest board. So there's quite a few different ways you can actually go ahead and do it, and I'm going to show you all of those ways now. So the first thing you need to do, of course, is open up Pinterest, and then we want to sign into our account. And once we've done that, there's going to be an icon in the bottom right hand corner, which is sort of like a person you can see here. You need to go ahead and tap on that. By tapping on that, that's going to take you over to this section here, which is your boards. So what we can do from here is we can go and select a board that we want to add a pin to. Now if you don't already have a board, there's a little plus icon on the top right which you can click on, and by clicking on that, that will allow you to create a board. But let's say we want to go ahead and add something to this retro sci-fi board that I've got going here. We'd open it up like this, and at the bottom you can see a section that says create. So what we want to do is tap on the create button there. And this will allow me to go ahead and select a photo from my camera roll or a video, which I can go ahead and add as a pin. So let's say I want to add one of these photos here. I just tap on it and I go ahead and press next. I can also tap on multiple if I want to add multiple photos, but go ahead and press next. And what we can do from here is we can give the pin a title, a description, a link. We can pick the board, but we've already picked it. We can add related topics, we can tag products, and there's also some advanced settings you can go ahead and do. So I'm going to go ahead, fill those in, and I'm going to go press create. And that should now have added it to your board. Now something else you can do once you're on your board now is we can scroll all the way to the bottom, and there's going to be a thing here that says find more ideas. So we can go ahead and click on the more ideas section, and this is going to give us more ideas. They should be related to the ideas that are currently in the board. You can see right now it doesn't seem to be for some reason, but it should be related to the board. Now something else we can do to add a pin is by adding it directly from our sort of browsing page. So we can do that in the home page here. We can see there's a few different pins we could add. Let's say we wanted to go ahead and add this one here. We can go ahead and tap on it, and we can go ahead and add this as a pin as well. So press the save button here, and it will allow us to go ahead and select a board. So we can go ahead and select this retro board, tap on it there, and that should go ahead and add it. And I'm just going to press no thanks on that because I don't care about that. But it's really as simple as that to go ahead and add a pin to a Pinterest board. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below it helped, and I'll see you in the next one.